Welcome to the Tech Doctor series on how to think about autonomous vehicles. This is part three, Circle One, the inside, the service provider. And I'm Dr. Mike Ali. Now, in the past, we've talked about the three circles of autonomous vehicle hell, and we've talked about the outside so far, the environment. Now we're going to talk about the autonomous vehicle service provider. And just one quick point, that covers both manufacturers and people who just provide a robotaxi service or combinations of those. So the main questions for Circle One, the service provider, are who is the competition and what are they doing? How will the business make money? And what does the product or service cost to operate? The competition question is really critical, and here's a simple reason why. If you compare an Uber ride service to a robotaxi service, there's an article in Forbes magazine that does a nice job of laying out what the major differences are and some of the benefits are of a standard traditional Uber service, right? Starting with vehicle maintenance, where the driver handles it on the Uber service side, a robotaxi provider has to have employees to do all of that work. Cost of sensors, which are currently a high cost for autonomous vehicles that must continue to drop. And also, when you're starting in a new city where you just can go find local drivers if you're a traditional provider, but you've got a lot of work to update your maps and train AI and think about other types of driving conditions if you're not. Now, as far as good answers to these questions, good ones start with, well, we're going to make money by being better, faster, and cheaper than the traditional taxi service. And the question, of course, is how, but at least that's a good place to start because it means you understand who your competition is. Another good answer is we're going to make money by selling autonomous driving capability as a software upgrade, something Tesla's been promising for years. Bad answers include autonomous drivers are already better than human drivers, so basically the service is already ready for prime time. This is just not a true statement. The other one that you'll hear sometimes is we'll be profitable when we reach scale. Well, how? What data and assumptions are they making about fixed and variable costs that indicate that yes, when they do scale, they're still going to make money? So that takes care of part three. Please join us for part four, where we talk about Circle Two, which is the onboard and offboard vehicle systems.